thank you. Thank you, everybody. It's been awesome. Knowing you, being here, love you lots.
When you practice grace, it builds relationships with your team members, with your stakeholders, with your project sponsor. And the key thing is the practice of empathetic, active listening.
How's everyone doing?
I'm alive.
You guys are amazing. I wanted to say congratulations because I know we have a lot of award winners.
I'm here to serve, to love, to give, and to share. And that is my story, and I'm sticking to it.